Hey guys, Kevin here. When it comes to Thanksgiving, or any dinner party for that matter, I always try to select a menu that can be prepared mostly in advance. This way, instead of banging around pots and pans at the last minute, I can sip wine with my guests. Anyway, today is Tuesday and Thanksgiving is on Thursday. Yesterday, I prepared my turkey, and you can see a link to that episode in the description box below. And now, Tuesday, I'm going to take my turkey neck and giblets and turn them into a delicious stock. That's one less job I'll have to accomplish on the big day. The stock is really easy to make. First, put the neck and giblets in a largish saucepan, and then add one chopped onion. It can be a white, yellow, or purple onion. Doesn't matter at all which one you choose. Then add one chopped carrot. And just roughly chop the vegetables. And finally, a couple of roughly chopped celery stalks. Then add 10 whole cloves. Oh, they smell so good. It's a nice autumn or winter scent. And 1 teaspoon of dried thyme leaves. And 3 large Turkish bay leaves. Turkish bay leaves are infinitely more fragrant than domestic bay leaves, and you can buy them in any supermarket. They come in a jar like this. Then add 1 quart of plain water. And I'm going to bring this to a boil over high heat, and then I'll come back to show you the next step. Oh, in case you're wondering, I did add the 3 Turkish bay leaves. Okay, my stock has come to a rolling boil. So now I'm going to lower the heat and partially cover the pot. And I'm going to let this simmer quietly for exactly 45 minutes. And by the way, you might wonder why I didn't add any salt to the stock. And the answer is very simple. My turkey is brined, which means it's covered in salt. So I don't want to add any additional sodium, not at this point anyway. So I'll come back in 45 minutes. 45 minutes is up. So now put a wire mesh sieve over a large bowl and pour the works through the sieve to strain the stock. And oh boy, I wish you could smell this. It smells carroty and oniony and clovey and ooh, just wonderful. And it helps to push down on these solid ingredients to get all of the wonderful flavors into the liquid below. And this liquid, of course, is the stock. And hang on, I'm going to adjust the camera so I can talk with you. I'm going to let this stock cool to room temperature, and then I will cover it with plastic wrap and pop it in the fridge until it is needed on Thanksgiving Day. And I hope you'll check back with me tomorrow, because I'm going to make what I think is the easiest and the most delicious cranberry sauce in the world. It's terrific for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or really any time. And I hope you'll post a comment below. Let me know what you are cooking for Thanksgiving. And I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'll see you tomorrow. Ta-ta for now.